There's Curio. She's about 19 weeks maybe. Keeping her. And there's Curtsy. Barbie's getting Curtsy. Barbie in New York. And Shimmy is running around also. If I can find her. There she is. She's right under my gate. Oh, there she is. Behind me. Okay, there she is. There's Shimmy. She just wants to be right underneath me. What you doing, huh? There she is. Yeah. She's a good girl. Hey, Curtsy. I think your mom's gonna name you Poppy, but I'm not sure. There's Shimmy. Let's see if I can. Anytime I try to get them, they come right over to me. There's Curtsy. Yeah, that's Curtsy. She's a good girl. Hey, Curio. Psst, psst. Curio. No. Shh. Come here. No. Come here. That's not nice. Is she pulling you around, huh? Is she pulling you around? Yeah, did I save the dog? Okay. Let's see if we can find you again. There she is. There's Shimmy. There's Shimmy. Okay. There's the girls. There's Curtsy and Shimmy. They're just too fast for me. They're having a good old time. Yeah. Yes, they are. They're playing.